Code it now. Write a program that acts as a cash register. It must add up the total price of all the items to be purchased and then output the total amount, which will include a 7% sales tax. Be sure to have all the calculations done on one line of code and have a minimum of 3 items to be purchased. Alright, so let's do this in some steps. We'll say, first up, set 3 prices of items. We could either ask the user for these prices, or for now we can just set them ourselves. Then calculate total with tax, and then we want to output total. So here I'm just going to say the first item is X. It has a price of $12.99. Item Y has a price of $4.50, and item Z has a price of $24.43. Alright, so what we want to do is calculate the total with the tax. So we'll have a variable called total equals, we're going to add X plus Y plus Z. Now that's the total, but we also have to add the tax. So we could do this 2 ways. We could multiply this by 1.07, which would be the same thing as this, X plus Y plus Z times 0.07. So what we're doing is we're taking the total of all the prices, then we're adding on the tax, which would be the total times 0.07, which is the 7% sales tax. So either way, you could do it, this works, and then we're going to output. So what do we want it to say? Be sure to have calculations, output the total amount. Alright, so we'll say print the total amount is. Alright, now we can't just write total because right now this is a float. We need it to be a string. So I'm just going to wrap this with str like that. Alright, let's run it. Alright, 44, that sounds about right. Let's make these numbers even simpler so we can make sure that they're correct. So we'll say that they're all 1. 321, that sounds great because each one with tax would be $1.07, and then 7 times 3 is 21, so 321 is correct.